Good afternoon. Teaching 1. Stage 1 video 1. Let's talk about video. My name is Marimelda Naranjo Acevedo. I am 23 years old. I am from Sogamoso, Boyacá. Explain each step mentioned in the video. Step 1. For defense, a situation where you all spoke in English. Step 2. Understand why translating English into another language is a vast idea. Step 3. Learn to use context to listen and understand English better. Step 4. Think of different situations in which you listen to English and to understand. Step 5. Make a lesson plan to improve your listening and comprehension in English. At the beginning of the video, they talk about some situation named and list two of those situations. First, you are listening to English teacher speaking British English, speaking slow and clearly. Is easy or difficult? Next, you listen to a native English speaker from Scotland who speaks with a Scottish accent and also use lot of slang and idiomatic English. What do you think? Will this be easy or difficult for you? In the minute 331 other language in spoken. What language was that? The language is Portuguese. And rule or numbers 1 to submarine every day. Rule or number 2. Use submarine different every day. What is the lesson plan that they propose? Monday listen to a podcast with American voice. Tuesday, listen to a podcast with American voice. Wednesday, watch 15 minutes of a TV show from Telucate. Thursday, do a listening exercise from a textbook. Friday, watch 15 minutes of a new show. Saturday, watch 15 minutes of a fun old movie. Sunday, call a friend and expect 15 minutes speaking in English. What kind of lesson plan would you propose? To start every day, you must listen to videos in English. Monday, write the thing that is going curious to you and YouTube videos. Tuesday to Thursday, memorize vocabulary words relate to work. Friday, speak English, where you converse and learn to for word in English every morning. Saturday, listen to music in English 15 minutes a day. Sunday, watch TV show with English context for an hour. How to stick your plan? Dedicate time to live and follow each of the indication per day. It is a simple and very practical plan. You 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 can learn to listen to English very quick, quickly. Having in mind the video, we can do about obtain material to practice English. Easy. Parents Google or the search engine of your choice. The loss of drop out the wage is free. It's free. If you have internet connections. Uh, yes, you have to work a little to find materials that will suit you. Thank you.